Good morning, good morning. I'm by this window. Ooh, there's the sunlight. All right, you guys, I have a message. And today's message is about coding and programming and algorithms, but not for the internet, not for our social media. Here's what I mean. We get so caught up in, what's the algorithm and what's it showing me and it's messing up my views and it's this and that. But you have an algorithm. You are creating the algorithm. You, in your mind, in your brain, in your thoughts, are able to create your own code, create your own programs, and run your own algorithms. What is it that you want to see more of in your life? What is it that you want to gain more of in your life? It is really about your repeated habits and your repeated behaviors that is creating the algorithm that you're seeing in your own life. Ooh, that's an entire word. And I want you to remember you have more control and more power than you are utilizing. So I don't want everything to be about 2023 because this is a daily journey of programming and coding and working on your own algorithms. Just remember you have that power. Take some of that attention off of the internet and what are they doing and how are they showing my posts and how are they showing up in my feed? How are you showing up in yours? How are you showing up in your own life? You got this. Write the code, reprogram, and fix your own algorithm.